This is Realme C53, and today I will demonstrate that you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So first you will need to download the free Turbo VPN app from the Play Store, so that is exactly what I'm going to do now. Launch the app once it is ready, tap at the Agree and Continue button, then decide if you would like to allow or unallow notifications from this app. I'll just turn them off, then skip the ad that follows. And finally, in order to connect ourselves to VPN, we gotta simply tap at this button over there, accept the connection request, and magic happens and your device is connected to virtual private network. From here, or rather while at it, you can select what server you would like to be connected to like that, or simply change it. And finally, not sure how final it is, but in order to turn the VPN off, tap at the cross icon, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.